O Cameroon, thou cradle of our fathers, holy shrine wherein amidst they now repose. Their tears and blood and sweat thy soil did water, on thy hills and valleys once their tillage rose. Dear fatherland, thy worth no tongue can tell. How can we ever pay thy due? Thy welfare we will win in toil and love and peace. We'll be to thy name ever true. Land of promise, land of glory, thou of life and joy our only store. Thine be honor, thy devotion, and deep endearment forevermore.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Madam Ewane.